Well, we have been tracking the same storm since early this afternoon. A very strong cell popped up over Los Animas County, continued to travel toward the east and produced two tornado touchdowns, one in Los Animas County near Kim, and that was around 2:40. We had another funnel cloud reported just east of where that tornado touched down by a storm chaser in Los Animas County, and then law enforcement reported another tornado touchdown around 3:55 just toward the north and east of Campo. That's on the far right side of your screen. So this has been a very active cell. The National Weather Service has, however, allowed the tornado warning for Baca County to expire as the storm has lost a bit of its steam. Moving off toward the east into Kansas right now, as are all the other storms across southern Colorado. You'll notice we have a fairly intense band from Burlington south into Pueblo County. This band continues to travel off toward the east, bringing a lot of heavy rain, gusty winds, and the potential for large hail along with it. You'll notice, though, behind that line, we're not really tracking a whole lot of anything because drier air is actually filtering in behind that line of storms. That's why around Colorado Springs and Pueblo, we're starting to get the clouds to actually break up right now, seeing a few peaks of sunshine around the Pikes Peak region. This trend is going to continue. Once this band moves out of your city, you're likely going to be done for the remainder of the night. Skycast is showing that as well. We'll keep tracking these storms pushing off toward the east, but then by 9 o'clock, most everything is going to come to an end. We'll have a few clouds sticking around through 9 o'clock, but then we get something else that happens later on tonight while you're sleeping. Around 2 a.m. early tomorrow morning, a cold front slides through southern Colorado. As that cold front arrives, it's going to fire off a few more sprinkles and even a bit of rain across eastern El Paso County and back up into Lyman. This rain could be moderate to heavy at times, but it shouldn't last for very long. So if you're sleeping with the windows open tonight, don't be alarmed if you wake up to a bit of that pitter patter. Tomorrow morning, the showers are going to come to an end just in time for you to have to head into work. So you may have some wet roads to contend with, but the drive should be all right. That's going to change, though, during the afternoon when yet another round of rain moves in around 1 o'clock. We should see those showers redeveloping along the I-25 corridor, becoming a bit more widespread as we take you into the late afternoon and evening. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, we will have the potential for heavy rain. If we get that heavy rain over burn scars or any areas that have had a lot of rain over the past couple of days, then flash flooding is going to be a big concern. We'll be monitoring that closely. Stick with us here over the next 24 hours. The rain, it's not going to end once the sun sets like we typically see this time of year in Colorado. Instead, it's going to be another one of those events where the rain will last into the night and it won't come to an end by mid-morning Saturday morning. Here's a look at midnight. We'll still have those showers in place through your early Saturday morning. We're still going to be tracking rain. So by 5 a.m., if you're heading somewhere early on Saturday, you will need the umbrella, but the rain should come to an end by about 9 o'clock before another round of thunderstorms arrives Saturday afternoon. So between Friday and Saturday, we have yet another very active time period setting up for southern Colorado. Low temperatures tonight will be falling into the 40s and 50s. High temperatures tomorrow, we're getting into the 60s and 70s. So it's going to be quite a bit cooler than it was yesterday and again out there today. Factor in about a 10 to 15 mile per hour wind, plus the showers that we're expecting during the afternoon, and it's going to feel quite a bit cooler than it actually is. The good news is that the cool air doesn't last for too long this time around. In Colorado Springs, we'll keep the 60s in place through Saturday, but then Sunday, we will warm things up and dry it out. We'll keep the drier conditions going through early next week with just a 10% chance for spotty storms Sunday and Monday. We'll take storms out of the forecast completely on Tuesday. Tuesday, your high temperature in Colorado Springs hitting 80 degrees. It's going to start to feel like June around Colorado early next week. Pueblo, 70-degree temperatures expected both tomorrow and Saturday, and then Pueblo, we're back in the 80s. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will fall into the 70s, though, once again by next Thursday. In Canyon City, tomorrow, your high temperature 68 degrees. We hit 69 on Saturday with a high temperature of 77 Sunday. Sunday right now looking to be the warmer and the drier of the two weekend days. So as you're making your plans, just keep that in mind. Teller County, 56 will be your high tomorrow. We'll keep a 60% chance for storms in the forecast beginning around lunchtime tomorrow. The rain will continue Friday night into Saturday morning. We'll get another round of thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. Sunday, just a slight chance for storms during the afternoon. Same story for Monday. Tuesday, we are going to drag things out in Teller County also. Check out that temperature, 72 degrees in Teller County, one of the warmest days we have had so far this season.
Get the sunscreen out.
I know a lot of folks are definitely looking forward to that warmer weather and not needing the umbrella, letting your basements dry out just a little bit too nice.
But yet there's still room for us to reach that record. Maybe even crack it.
Yes, so if you check in with us at 6 o'clock, we are going to bring you those updated totals. We did have a bit of rain around both the Colorado Springs and Pueblo airports today, and of course we're expecting more. So if we don't hit it today, I think with the rain that we're expecting tomorrow, I mean, I've got to admit, I'm kind of rooting for it. I mean, we're so close. It's been so